Hello, today we're gonna be installing uh, NOCO Genius battery charger plus maintainer. All right, so this device will recharge your battery, motorcycle battery, and it will keep it charged during winter. Okay, so this is for 6 volts and 12 volts batteries, and it has 1 amp. Okay, so the way these come, it's you have the connector here, and then you have the rest of the connector. All right, that it goes to these gators. All right, the cool thing about this is that you can remove the cable from the gators like I did, and you can connect it directly to your battery. All right, so here I removed my seat. Then from here you remove these 2 screws, and then these plastic screws right here. When removing these plastic screws, be careful not to break them. Okay, these plastic screws, they hold the plastic triangles here on the side. All right, so you have to also remove this, and then first you remove the plastic bags. Okay, and then you remove your plastic triangles. To remove the plastic triangles, you gotta push it down and then out, because it has these plastic legs. All right, if you try to just pull it out, it will break the legs. It's not like the Rebel 300 or the 500 where you just pull it out. Okay, this one the 1100 has these plastic legs, so you have to first push it down and then out. All right, so like I was saying, again, I'm gonna show you again the picture. So what I did, I installed this part right here, this cable right here. Okay, it comes with a 2 amp fuse, in case, so you don't short your motorcycle, the battery, or you don't short any components on your motorcycle. All right, here first you have to remove the screws, the battery screws. I don't know if you can see them. There you go. So you have to use number 10. What's this called? The wrench. Man, forget what this are called. Yeah, well, you use the number 10 to remove the screws. I forgot what this are called. Anyway, so you wrench it out. Okay. Oh, and then you connect the red one to the positive, black to negative. All right, so what I do right here, you see how I bend it a little bit, the connector. All right, so it goes under the screw. I put it that way so you can connect this plastic cover again back into the terminal. Okay, same thing for the negative over there. All right, there's the cable right here, there's the connector. All right, okay, so then I run the cable this way. I run it under these wires, and then attach the connector with the zip tie right there. Then the cable goes behind this ring, and do you see where it is? Nope, because the cool thing is it's hidden behind. So then here it is. Here's your connector. So let me show you right now how it works. Okay, so you open that. Right. Let me untie the rest of the wire. There we go. All right, so here this end connects this end. Sorry about the recording. I'm trying to use just one hand. There you go. Plug it in. You plug it all the way in. Perfect. There you go. So it's connected to the battery. Then I'm gonna turn off these lights. Okay. And then you connect this to the power. Turn it on. Oh, yeah, right here. Turn it on. There you go. Automatically, this device recognizes that battery is 12 volts. I don't know if you can see it. There you go. So automatically it recognizes that it's 12 volts. So there you go. So you leave this during winter time, so your battery doesn't die during winter time. It doesn't discharge. Or if your battery needs to be recharged, you plug it in and it will recharge the battery. Okay, that's it. Okay, so when you're done, there you go. You just remove this from the power. Oops. All right, it's all good. And then remove your connector here. It has a lag, so you have to unlock this and then pull it out. Sorry again, I'm using just one hand. Okay, you close this so water or dirt doesn't get in there. You cover this. Perfect. And again, it's behind. You hide it behind the frame. All right, so here I'm gonna put back the plastic triangle. Again, you push it in and then up, because again it has those plastic leg like I showed you. Okay. Perfect. Up. Press it in. And it is. Okay. There you go. And that's how you install the NOCO Genius battery charger and battery maintainer. All right, I hope you like this video, so it can help you in the future with your Honda Rebel. Either you can use on the Rebel 1100 or any motorcycle. Just be careful removing the batteries so you don't short any components on your bike. All right, hope you like this video, and I will read any of your comments. Thank you guys.